Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Starting this one out on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to share any post, any photo, or any video directly to your Instagram story. So let's go ahead and swipe over here. Now you can do this with any post that you find, anyone that you're following, anyone that's in your feed here, or anything on the Explore page that you see. So I'm just going to go ahead and find one here. So this one looks good, iOS 11.4 coming today. And what I'm going to do is tap the share icon on the bottom left of the photo, the little paper airplane looking one. And now you can see a new feature here, an additional option that says add a post to your story. I'm going to tap on that. And then this is what it looks like right here. We can move this around. So that's pretty cool, like you could place it wherever you want on this canvas. We can draw on it. So let's undo that. Let's center this. Then let's type new feature. And then hit done. Of course you can add filters and all that good stuff like you normally would. And then you can tap add to your story in the bottom left or send to. And you can send this to your friends or story as you normally would. I'll just go ahead and hit share to your story and then hit done, and that's been added to my story. So now if we go up here, we can tap on this and here it is. Here is the post that we've shared to our story, and anyone can tap on this. Then they'll see this little pop-up that says see post. And if they tap on that, it's going to take them directly to the post that you shared. So now let's find a video here and try this. Let's close this out, go back to my story. And here's the video one. Now it won't play the video directly when they're watching the story. They'll have to tap on that and then tap see post, and that will take them to the video. So that's pretty cool. It'd be interesting to see it implement where it automatically plays the video within your story, but maybe that's something they'll do in the future. And there you have it, how to share a post to your Instagram story. It can be a photo or a video or any type of post. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. There's also an Instagram playlist linked in the description, so you can click on that if you want to see tons of how-to tutorials for Instagram. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, tech, social media, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.